Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Roseanne.
Welcome to CAD 118 in our last Zoom classroom meeting for this semester. Alrighty, so the final exam is available. It's located under quizzes and exams. It basically goes through questions that are in the end of the textbook chapters from chapters 1 through 10. The test is available until May 10th at 11:59. At that time, it is due. As well as Module 10. We had 10 modules, and actually we had 9 modules because Module 9 was on printing and plotting, and we've already covered that in the 117. You're welcome to do the work from the Module 9, but it's not required. So with that, we have all the work out there for you to complete. Make sure that you complete the Module 10 and the quizzes and exams. If we look at quizzes and exams, there are 10 quizzes which refer to the end of the chapter quizzes. And so please take these quizzes. It's actually 9 because there is no chapter 9 quiz. And then there's the final exam. There's a practice final available as well. Do your best. They're not worth a ton of points, but if you're looking to get an A out of the course, you're going to want to complete the quizzes from the end of the chapters. It takes a little bit of time. It's open book, open note, but try to complete all the tasks that are required for the course. Back to the main splash page. When you take the final exam, it's with Honor Lock, and so you will need a computer with a webcam and a photo ID to be able to show and verify your identity. There is no hands-on portion. We're just doing the quizzes from the textbook readings. If we look at the content of the last module, that was module 10, rating cameras and lights, and we just basically add it to this scene and complete these 2 practice files. Back to the main splash page. There's a number of other courses if you are interested. I recommend you take courses in the fall. You get a full semester, or you get 4 months worth of time out of the classes. Summer goes by pretty quickly. So if you are looking to upgrade your skills and do something quickly, in the summer we have the basic AutoCAD, the basic SolidWorks, and the Revit MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. My recommendation, if you are leaning towards the architectural side, is to take the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And then if you want to take the SolidWorks course in the summer, you can do that. You can also then take the intermediate SolidWorks in the fall and the advanced SolidWorks in the spring. And those courses are offered online. We've tried putting them in classrooms, but people are still choosing to take the online. We are moving towards flex, which means that we'll have online classes with time available for students to get assistance. But at this time, that's not fully developed. We should have something by the fall as far as that goes. But even if we don't have the policy completely set for that, Elle and I are always available. We put office hours on, and you're welcome to come in and get extra assistance or get that with a Zoom meeting. Okay. Elle, is there anything else that I need to cover in this Zoom meeting?
No, that's about it. Just remind them that 1 day a week during the summer we're going to be in the scoping lab for some help also if you need to.
And there's a number of employers that are looking for students. You may see an email coming from us from an employer that's interested in interviewing students. Alrighty then. With that, I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.